Let slippage get you.
Don't worry,
Here
baby.
we go.
I got it.
15.
Don't worry, baby. I got it.
Here we go. Right here, llama. Right here. Take it, llama.
Don't worry, baby. I got it.
It's nearly 100.
Don't let slippage. Don't let slippage. We did it. We did it. If this can get that
Interesting.
pop, llama, I like the long here for a potential 3-bar. Boom.
Okay.
Boom, baby. There it is. We can't hear you. Are you fucking naked and put Versace glasses on so no one can see your face? You're butt ass naked in your bed right now.
God is good, my friends. Can you hear me?
Greg,
Yes.
Greg is a certified alcoholic. Welcome back to the Big Daddy's Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, with the one and only Mr. Fulham Shit himself, Mr. Sober Pay to Play, Llama Llama Red Pajamas. It's 9:30 a.m. Wednesday, February 26th. And we're going to have a killer freaking day. Llama's full of shit, chat. All right, we're going to start off the Big Daddy Show. Right, we're going to get on the charts. Llama was just telling us he drinks 2 gallons of water a day. He doesn't sweat. And that he could easily go do 45 minutes of cardio without sweating. So that's what kind of morning we're going to have. That's literally the type of morning we're starting off with, chat. That's the type of morning we're starting off with, chat.
I'm dead ass serious. I do not sweat, bro. I promise you.
I believe you.
Guys, I'm already, bro. Pre-morning group, private group. Did anyone catch this? Now you guys know what we're looking for after this, guys. You know what we're looking for after this. Whoever caught that let me see it in the chat. I didn't get to do it because I wasn't logged in onto the wrong. I wasn't even on the right account.
We believe you, Llama.
I swear to you, Max. I don't sweat. It's crazy.
I know. I believe you.
It's annoying because I'd be wanting to sweat. $100 on the sale. Good job, Sai. Sai is so far, and I told all the other mentees, Sai is shitting on all my mentees. It's kind of incredible.
Good job to Sai. Good job to
show
Sai.
my executions. Jesus Christ, these guys.
I'm logging into my broker. Now, and
oh my god, this bitch just fucking ran off the fucking. Oh my god,
we are gonna crush it today. How we feeling, chat? We got 690, almost 700 people in the chat today. We are gonna kill it today.
That's a
this
candle.
Looks. Yeah, if this pops back up, Llama, I might.
I'm taking it. Yeah, if it pops back up, I'm taking it.
Yeah, if it pops up here, I'm gonna get a piece of that pie. That's a huge 40-point stick.
Everything related to food with this guy. Yo, is Otto in the chat? Can somebody tell me if Otto is in the chat?
That's a big old 40-point cheese
I like
stick.
this entry here at previous day. It cuts our shit in half. Is Otto in the chat? Marine Corps veteran. A Jag.
Oh yeah, where's Otto?
Is Otto in the chat? I'm dying to know if Otto is in the chat here.
Where's the mods at? Mods, where are the mods at?
Otto. Is Otto in the chat?
Otto. Logan, let's keep track on Greg. We need to get Greg, great guy Greg. We need to get Triple G a microphone. So let's keep in touch with Triple G, see if Old School can get a microphone. We also need Otto, the Marine Corps JAG officer. What do we need with Otto again? We got him an account.
I wanted to ask him what this was. I wanted to ask him what this 200 tick up move was. That's what I wanted to do.
We're gonna give him a second chance. We're gonna give him a second chance. Baby, yeah, mama.
Definitely wanted to ask him what this was. Already this morning, Dakota, good job. Features 1 member, 1265. Very good. It's a very simple trade there.
Oh, no, that's right.
Took Asia low, correct. You guys know what we're looking for, but I do want to see the top of my levels before anything. I don't like being under these other things I have.
BBL Llama.
I'm gonna wait very patiently today.
BBL Llama. Watching SPX here, and this is an interesting spot here. Now, if this could go, I think I'm gonna have to wait. We have such a tight little gap here. Tight little gap. One of my favorite things, Llama. You know what I mean? We gotta wait here and be patient because this could go either way. I mean, we are so close to a gap fill within a buck, you know, or a run. So we just gotta wait here and see what happens, chat, because you don't want to get stuck in some dog shit like this.
I said, how do I roll over cons on Tradevate, buddy? You can't do that one, buddy. This is futures, not options.
What you talking about, player? Oh, come on. Tell me I didn't just do that. God fucking damn it.
What'd you do, Tubby?
Fucking. I fucking sent something to the wrong something, and now I'm pissed.
Oh my god, Max sent crypto to the wrong wallet.
I
I knew he was lying
sent
to everybody about hating crypto.
sent crypto to the wrong wallet. Wow.
All right. All right. Get our tap here, get our react here, and let's get our here. That's what I'm looking for.
Jesus.
Yo,
Jesus.
can you do a Bane impression? Yo, Max, is that your gap fill right there? Did it just happen on SPX?
Whoa. I don't know. Hold on. I wasn't paying attention. Whoa. Did it dump?
It
No, it's not even,
gave a
not
little
even
down
close.
move. It
What are you
took a
talking
new
about?
low on ES. I don't know where
Now
your gap fill is. That's why I'm asking you.
my gap fills at 55.
Oh, well, I
My
don't have
complete gap fills at 55.
a bro, I'm a dumbass, bro. I'm looking at NQ on both fucking charts, bro. The fuck? I thought that was ES. All right, we're waiting here. ES hasn't swept. Okay. Didn't budge. Yeah, I was looking at the same chart. I'm an idiot, guys. My bad. I'm not playing this game here today. If you guys can't hear me, it's not my problem. You're gonna miss out on one of the greatest trades you ever seen.
BBL Llama. BBL Llama. Some very even price action today. I'm not seeing anything tootle juicies. No, nothing too juicies. Whoa. Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. This one's for Llama. Llama's ice cold. Llama's fat pig. This one's for Llama. That
Oh
good
my
Llama.
god,
That
the
good.
Ripper.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ, it just went without us. Sickening.
Oh my god.
Sickening. There was
It's
the
all right.
candle.
It's all right. It's okay.
Beyond sickening.
Do 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 do.
It left us nothing for this entry, bro. It left us no entry. So sickening. So sickening.
Is it?
News at 10. Oof. Yes, left the low here untapped. Clean.
Do 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 do
No
do
entry.
do do do.
There was
Wow, that was a ripper.
that's why I had asked if fucking SPX filled the gap.
It didn't, Llama.
Because NQ came in resweeped. Fuck.
It didn't, Llama. Llama red Dama. You resweeped.
Aru,
Resweeped, he said. Did everyone hear that? Everyone heard Llama say that?
Aru, do me a favor. You get on my nerves today, you're insta ban. Promise you.
Oof.
Promise you.
He said, yes, my cutie.
Nah, come on, not cool. I'm not trying to be cool. I'm trying to be profitable. Yeah,
No, that's right.
yeah, Miss Jimmy. One fucking wrong move, buddy, and you're out of here.
One move,
It's
Buster.
free Discord, my boy. I don't give a fuck. I ban everybody.
I know that's right. Damn, what a ripper.
Yeah, that was good. That was the 306 we were looking for. The fucker, bro. Up 1200,
I'm here
Jamal.
for it.
Jamal. One of the legends in the chat. Good job, Jamal. Trail candle low right here. Put your stop at 47. If it doesn't break this, it could come back down. I'd prefer you to close with your profits.
Don't fucking talk to Jamal like that.
No break.
Potential
Potential flip back. Chris, nice. Good job, Chris. All the way from Cyprus, Greece. You see that? 137. Good job, Chris. Good fucking job.
Oh, Christopher, congratulations.
Yo, can you do a Bane?
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry.
50%. Yep. Jamal, very good job deleting the message, buddy. Good job. Very
What'd
good
he
job.
say?
Don't worry about it.
What'd he say?
Don't worry about it.
You're such a bitch. Oh. Is this a retest spot? Hold on. This could be a retest spot for a long here. If this is going to be a continuation up, if this breaks a newer high, then we're looking at what, chat? Picture perfect what?
Picture.
attention.
I want to see if these levels hold. Gotta see if these levels hold. Problem is this is big here. Very
Dolly.
big here.
Yeah, Dolly.
No way you said that.
Said what? Said what, Llama?
Ale.
Dolly.
You notice I say that every single phone call?
You do say it every single phone call.
All right, dale.
Dolly.
Like, I
Dolly,
wonder if
Dolly,
this.
Dolly.
Wonder if this. Yo, did you have a bar mitzvah?
Me?
No,
No,
not you.
I did not have a bar mitzvah.
Oh, that's why you trailed right here, Jamal. Please tell me you trailed right here, Jamal. Please tell me you trailed right there, Jamal. Please tell me you did not give back all the profit, Jamal. Please tell me. Is it Dale or Dolly? It's Dale. Isn't that when you get circumcised?
What? What did he just say?
Someone said, isn't that when you get circumcised?
Oh my god. When you dolly?
Took all the I hope profile is profit. No, when you have a bar mitzvah. I don't think they circumcise you at fucking 13 years old. That would be illegal. Delicious. 13 years old is prime crank the monkey era, and if you're getting circumcised at that age, that is very depressing.
What the fuck are you guys talking about? Hold on, I'm not even paying attention. What are you guys talking about? I'm not paying attention for 5 minutes, and this is what the fuck is going on? Llama, I leave you in charge for 5 minutes. What the fuck is going on
I
here?
asked you if you had a bar mitzvah, and then they said, isn't that when you get circumcised? And I told them I hope not, because at that age is
That's called a
prime
breast.
prime
That's called
crank
a
the
breast.
monkey.
You guys
It's
are
prime
fucked
monkey
up.
cranking time.
You guys are fucked up. All right, there's a very interesting level here.
Interesting level. If I see a print through this high, I'll probably jump. Orb is finally created here. UPS. What? Hello?
Watching this.
Hello. Are you there right now?
Could be a potential drop or pop here because of this candle. If we close
time
at this
can you make
doji
it?
mark, you got buyers and sellers, serious buyers and sellers here fighting it
2,
out,
3?
chat. So we're gonna wait and see what happens.
We close at 4. Is it gonna be accurately at 3?
Llama, mute
Perfect.
yourself. All right, let's see if SPX can hold the midline here. We got orb coming right now. Dumping the midline. Serious buying pressure at 6. All right, I'm gonna probably get ready to test a long. If we pop back up, I'm gonna go long. Here we go. Here we go now. Hold the midline. Stop loss at 36, 31. Here we go. I'm up 300, 500, 600. Moving my stop loss into profit. I'm up.
Copier was late there.
There we go. I am up 700 on this long. There it is. And whoa, stopped out on that drop. I made $75 there. 75 bucks.
The trade copier got
I
me in
knew-
late. That was
I knew it was going to be wiki. That's why I moved my fucking stop loss so fast into profit on that one. It was a very wiki zone. But overall, that was a solid trade. I will probably look to get back in here again. I'm probably going to look to get back in if we see. Hold on a second.
I closed that joint in a loss.
Did you?
Yeah, bro. My trade copier
I'm gonna
didn't
get
get
it.
everything in.
I'll probably look to get long again here if we test that
I want to see this
midline.
body close good.
Right.
Stop was the
Let's
literal
see.
bottom, bro. Went to 21. I had to stop at 22.
If it pops back up over 30, right here, hold on. If this can
Interesting
get
there.
that pop, Llama, I like the long here for a potential 3-bar. Boom.
Okay.
Boom, baby. There it is.
Minute.
There it is. I'm up another 500, moving my stop loss in the profit because of Wix. Moving my stop loss in the profit. I'm up 700, 795. I'm up 1,000. Moving my stop loss way up to 43. Moving my stop loss up to 43 right here. I'm up 1,000 on this long.
About to get popped out.
Moving my stop.
I got popped out.
And I'm stopped right there. That was 400 in profit.
Very ugly
400 in
price
profit
action.
on that one.
Very
Beautiful
ugly
long
price
there.
action. I need to wait for this.
I like the long. I mean, the structure is up. The structure is up. So
Damn, bro, the wick out to take us out to pop back. This is the print through. This is solid work.
there
Here.
it is. Look
We
at
can
the
keep
long,
running.
chat. Look at the long. Look at the long there, chat. Beautiful long. Beautiful long. First one we got in. Oh my God. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at
Yes,
it go.
breakout.
Here we go,
Wow.
baby.
This is good
Ride it to
too.
the top of orb. Ride it to the top of orb. Where's my students at? Let's do a trade recap. Where's my students at?
Man, that candle was so gay. Super gay candle. Yes, breakout. I
Where's my
want to see a print
mastermind
through.
students at? Mastermind students, look at the trade recap there. You're gonna see the fucking A plus setup. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Big Daddy's Morning Show. The Shark is here to trade. Sharky
What's
had a
going on?
late night. Shark had a late night, and he is here to trade live.
What's poppin', Big Daddy?
What's going on, brother? How was your night in New York? I'm glad to hear that you're okay and you didn't get attacked SVU style.
I am alive.
You sound a little hungover.
I'm a little stuffed up this morning.
Yeah, and all
SVU
that
style?
blow that you guys do in all that cocaine you guys do in New York is pretty outstanding.
Right.
No.
Right.
Oh, look at this! Look at these! Look at Sober's colorful candles here on his chart. Really quite.
They're
Something.
very colorful. No, they're very colorful candles. He's a very colorful person, Shark.
And I'm seeing that now. I'm glad I'm getting to know him better here through his candle color choices.
What's up? What color are your candles? White and blue?
Well, no. Let's see. Well, black and white.
Whoa, guys, how about the long here, baby? Who called it first? Who called it twice? Let's go. I'm up. I took the 500 on that one account. I'm gonna log off of that account now. I'm gonna take it off of that account because
Clean
that was a
break.
beautiful long. I got paid huge on that long. I'm gonna log off on that account, guys. I made $500 for the day. I'm going to log off. I told you guys I'm going to start leading by example, and one and done is the max way to get paid out from these props. Plus, it's a take profit trader account, guys. Take profit trader is the best prop out for me right now. With my trading style and the way they're fucking paying out same day. I've been getting paid I've been taking a paycheck weekly from them, and I have to keep it running. The best thing about Take Profit Trader, or I would say one of the worst things about Take Profit Trader actually, is they have a 5-day to pass eval. So if you're trading, what's the rush? You got to hit 5 fucking days anyway. If you hit a banger like I just did, from the bottom to the top there, we called out, what is that? 60, 70 points. I'm logging out of that trade or that account, and I'll log into another one. So
3-6 hold ES still ripping. Like, what the fuck is happening right now?
Coming into a little short zone here.
Yeah, right. Topside orb short. ES goes for the pullback.
Topside orb. I want to see the little gravestone doji reversal there on SPX would definitely be an area for me to start shorting.
Down 120 off that first trade, bro.
I probably would short if it breaks 60. If it breaks 60, I'd probably like to get in a short. But if it holds here and pops above orb, just like it did there, then this long is still looking fucking good. Another A plus setup right there for a continuation on a long. ES is flying, NQ is flying. Big Daddy Max called out 2 longs. Can we show some profit in the chat, baby? Who fucking killed it with Big Daddy Max today? And now we got the Shark here. Sharky, no pressure. You gotta bring Sharky. You gotta bring the heat, baby.
Come enlighten us, Sharky.
Sharky, come fucking swim in the ocean with us, of the ocean of gains. The ocean of gains. If we were chat, if we were in the actual ocean right now and we had one shark, what would Llama and I be? If we had a shark, and what if we were in the ocean, what animals would we be? Whoa, look at that pop.
Max is for sure a manatee.
there. What? Oh, who's holding that long, baby? I just said another beautiful A plus long setup, and it popped again, baby. Let's go.
Oh. See, I'm still waiting. I do the 30-minute ORB, so. But I do have
Oh,
a big level here at this 313,
a
315.
30-minute orb. Very nice, Sharky.
Oh, yeah.
Without dropping too much sauce, Mr. Shark, what exactly are you waiting for at the time? Were you just waiting for 30-minute orb right now?
Yeah, I usually wait for the 30-minute. I like that better because it really kind of, for me, I know you use the 15-minute or 5. I'm not sure which one, but for me, the 30 just sets that tone for the day. So, the other thing is, we've had a lot of, we were down, 1,200 points in 3 days. We were down 400 points yesterday, bounced back 200 points. So also for me, I mean, I'm kind of getting in the and also we have NVIDIA earnings coming up. So I'd already like to put out the warning here that we may see a bit more of a range type of day today because the market will probably start to be a little hesitant. And even though the VIX is still elevated, I feel like that volatility is getting a little bit sucked out of the market. So I'm just going to be cautious for that range type of day today.
Good analysis from the Shark. I like it a lot. I fuck with it heavy, Sharky. I like it a lot. Watch here on NQ for another potential 3-bar setup, chat. We've had multiple 3-bar setups, and you're not going to find another one. I mean, another one leads to a continuation of this uptrend. I mean, it's clean. Look at this. We're just getting one. Oh, I can't say it enough. Chat, I can't say it enough. If you haven't signed up for Futures 1 yet, the mastermind that's going to solve all your problems, you guys need to get on the wait list. Llama, there's only 1 week of the wait list left.
Yeah, and
there's only 1 week left, chat. And then we're closing the wait list. So if you guys aren't on the wait list, you're not getting in. It's that simple. If you guys are not on the wait list, you are not getting in. So I highly suggest you guys right there, that link right there. I highly suggest you guys jump on that bitch. Just got my free eval, Futures Funded Family. Thank you. Congratulations for your free account. Nobody fakes it here, baby. We give everybody our free accounts. Peyton, what did you say? What do the orange names need to be on the wait list? Peyton, go to the mastermind chat. Hold on. Peyton, go to the mastermind chat here. There's something in here for you guys right here. I just tagged you and posted it, Chayton.
ES just took these highs. There was equal highs up there, and this is staying inside an FE. This could be the
right there, no problem. You know, mastermind students. You know my students. They fucking. You know my students get some love
here. That shit just got aggressive.
Oh yeah, this is the freaking area for the short. Oh, okay.
Yeah, this could be that flip around.
This could
just don't
also
have a
get
good
bought
entry
right back
model
up.
here.
This could also get bought right back up because this train is running to the
entry model. You can't say that. That's ICT's speak there.
Sharky, I don't know if you know this or not, but Llama's 50% gay. He actually trades ICT.
Yeah, I actually
guys,
trade,
new home sales.
New home ICT. Sales. There's a lot of ICT hate in here, as if I didn't fucking make y'all profitable for 32 days. Like, let's start somewhere, guys. Let's start somewhere.
Hold on. I made them equally profitable, so I'm allowed to call you half gay.
Yes, you can definitely call me half gay, but are these guys profitable? Maybe because of me, you know? Could be.
Big announcement. We have new home sales coming out in 2 minutes and 50 seconds, chat.
I want to take this
in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's not blow our prop accounts because we're trading news here, chat. We have news in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's
serious?
Close all trades unless you want to gamble it. If you do want to gamble the news, Apex has an 80% off sale, and Apex they do allow news trading. They don't give a fuck. So if you guys do want to YOLO an account right now, I suggest 80% off Apex.
This rejection is.
It was an easy sell.
Wow, I can't believe we all missed the rejection. Seriously, guys, wow.
Like, oh my god,
such a free sell.
Like, oh my god, I can't believe. Shark, are you aware of the level of zest that Llama brings to the table? I'm talking about you could season a whole chicken with that amount of zest. Chat, let's get some zesty llama in the chat for Shark so he could see.
Fuck.
This man, we might as well call him the lemon llama because all that zest and all that citrus
No,
is
that's
great
right.
for our lives.
The lemon llama is crazy.
Kate applied everything she learned and made $500. Congratulations, Kate. That is huge.
Kate,
congratulations, Kate.
Very crazy. And that's the pre boot camp sauce that she applied. Pre boot camp.
Yep. Llama, you're the man, but FIC too. FIC fict.
Yes,
fict.
he is a shitty person. That is correct.
Fict. Guys, get ready in 1 minute, 10 seconds. 1 minute, chat. 1 minute till we have new home sales news. Do not be in a trade unless you're in Apex and you want to YOLO an account. If you want to YOLO an account, Apex is 80% off. Other than that, guys, do not. Do not.
Third day with TPT. Good job, Paulin. 900.
Congratulations, Wowza, for winning your free account. Congratulations, Wowza. Where's the YOLO gang at? Put a YOLO in the chat if you're playing news in 40 seconds. Put the word YOLO in the chat if you're gonna gamble right now. Where's the YOLO team? Oh my God. Look at them. Look at them. Here they are. Here they go. Yes, Dakota, on evals only. Look at Team YOLO. They got 30 seconds. Yep. Team YOLO. Wow, this is impressive.
What's Nvidia doing? I know Apple's in the shitter today.
Nvidia's up 3%.
Mia. Cool. 10 seconds, chat. Who's on Gamble Squad 1? Gamble Squad 1, get ready. I am not trading. I don't think anyone should. Gambling is an irresponsible. 3, 2, 1. And boom. We got a beautiful little pop there. Oh, a beautiful little drop there.
That's that 313 it just hit, Sharky.
Oh, that was definitely a short wick out. Oh, they're tagging both sides. Look at the wick. Look at the wick. Oh, they're tagging both sides.
Re-entry, Sharky?
Wow.
I love
they're
this
tagging both sides here. Very aggressive on the
equilibrium of my fib.
All Apex accounts pop. What the fuck? Who got smoked? Somebody got smoked. Can we see some lost porn? We always show the wins. Can I see a little lost porn? Where's my YOLO squad at? Who just got smoked? Someone did it. Someone did it. Come on, show us the reset. Don't be shy. Show us the reset. Don't be shy.
The sale's not bad here, bro.
Honestly, we don't have any more news for 30 minutes. New home sales came in.
Soon.
Yeah, I'm still
negative
short 10%. As well.
New home sales down 14.1% from previous estimates. Jesus Christ. 14% fail of home sales. That's, I guess, bullish. All right. There's a little negative 720 YOLO squad. We love that. We love that. Okay. Not bad. One person. Big shout out to OS Elathon for being. There we go. Jacob S with the orange name, yet he gambled. Jacob S, I expect push-ups in the fucking mastermind chat, dumbass. I expect push-ups. Is it a flipper? Which way is it flipping?
Check.
Sharky, what do you think now after those wicks and that news, Shark? What are you waiting for? We have 30-minute orb. What's the Shark looking at?
Well, I do have some supply zone from the 15 here at the top of the orb. It goes all the way up to 35, which would be my risk if I do take a short. So I am waiting here. I didn't get the high, so I'm gonna wait. Not quite sure yet. But I'm ready to go.
You can definitely go to 42, 43. That's what I have. 42, 43 area of interest where it can go up to.
Really? I kind of like the short here. I like the short here a lot on SPX. Yep. If this is a little 3-bar short on SPX, plus we're kind of trading in a little bit of a number 3. If this can break down below 88, I think I like the short on SPX. Let's see. I'm gonna hold off and see. Let's see.
My concern is go back. If you look left, the low from 6 o'clock, not from yesterday.
Right.
The lows from 6 o'clock, right around 21,280. We are over that if you go back, and that's a big pivot there. But we're also trapped from the orb, so I'm not exactly sure.
Right.
Besides the opening range, actually, where we're stopping at the 21,313 is the high from December 3rd. So a little external range of liquidity for you ICT people. We have a previous day high there.
Sharky getting nasty with the verbiage here. I love that.
Verbiage.
Sharky getting a little nasty with the verbiage. He's putting down, no, the long looks good here. We're breaking out of a range. This long is starting to look really freaking juicy here. Look at that candle, baby. That is a big boy. Whoop. And then just like that.
236
That long is
continuation
looking
just
good.
fucking printed right now. Right off of a clean IFE skis. Very clean right here. This was clean work.
Yeah. Clean break.
Very clean work right there.
Let's see if it comes back into retest or not, but that long was looking good, baby. What is Shark on a plane? God damn, that background.
I'm not in my main office if I don't have my same microphone.
What is Shark on a plane?
Yes, it's the sequel to Snakes on a Plane. Sharks on a Plane.
Sharks on a plane. Love that.
Sharks on a plane here.
Love that.
Sharks on a plane here.
There we go. I turned off the turbo booster there.
1 second, Joe.
Turbo
We gotta get some.
booster.
We gotta get some
Sharknado
here.
Didn't they drop like 3 of those movies?
Might have to go short.
Yeah, it's interesting. Definitely interesting.
Problem is, I might have to take a starter because I'd have to add into it if we came up a little higher.
Yeah, it's looking. I don't know if this 3-bar runs up again on SPX, if it gets back down into the box, but right now it's looking like a potential runner. Hold on. Right here. Let's see if it breaks back down into the box on SPX. I'll probably take a short as well. I definitely want to see 91.90 break on SPX, and if that's the case, I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna go short. Let's see what happens. I like it too, Sharky. I'm actually thinking a retracement into this little chop zone. There it goes. Looking for that retracement into that chop zone. Whoa, Sharky, you are on a plane. What the fuck was that?
That's my entry. I'm
Seatbelts
taking a
off.
little starter here on the short side.
Seatbelts off.
Sharky's on a plane. Yeah, that was the seatbelt off still. That was the seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. Shark, what airline are you on, dude? Seriously.
Spirit. All right, I am
There we
short
go.
at
There we go.
97.
Whoa, there it is.
I missed it.
There it is.
Let's see if I can get a wick out and catch an entry.
Little 3-bar break. Let's see if you get a little continuation. That's what you need. I could scale into this. This is scalability right here. Beautiful.
Fill that at 90. I filled at 87 actually.
89.
Want another little up
86, 85, 83. Wow, there it goes. There it goes. Back down orb she goes. Beautiful.
Like look above and fail on the orb.
Beautiful. 83. There's a quick 10. There it goes. There's a little bit more. Nice shot. I'm up 1,500 on this. I'm gonna trim some profit here. I'm up 1,500 on this. I'm gonna trim some more profit here. Boom!
There we go. There we go, baby.
Right here. Big break.
There we go. I like this.
Break back in with force here, guys.
Big break.
Come on, let's get a continuation here, and I'm gonna.
Huge continuation on the short. Let's go. Let's go.
Next lower low, I'm gonna scale.
Yeah.
All right, this is probably it.
I took that.
Nope, I didn't take it. I didn't get it.
Okay, I literally typed what I wanted to scale out. Popped back. Damn. I want to see this. I want to see this 283 hold here. This 283 can hold. I think we're good for a continuation. Back down.
That was a beautiful trade. Who caught that short with the team there, chat? That was very, very nice. Very, very nice. And my TA lined up with the shark, lined up with the llama. I mean, that was beautiful. The shark's on a plane, so that's very impressive.
Uh-oh. It's going back to 9 trade. But I still only have a starter on, so if it does come up a bit higher, I'd be willing to.
Right.
Yeah,
right here, I want to see a little pullback. I think if we, I like the long now, to be honest. If this pops back up here, I love the long. right here. It might jump on along now to attack. Here we go. Yep.
That was so
This guy's
aggressive.
switching his bias quicker than a politician.
I know that's right. I'm up 555. I'm up 500 on the long right here. I'm probably gonna move my stop into profit just because of the wicks. I'm gonna move my stop into profit. I'm up 500 on the long, and
Still in
I'm
myself.
stopped out 75. Stopped out there $75 in profit. $75 in profit. Very nice. Call that a $75 holla, chat.
I'm still holding myself.
You're holding the short.
Yeah, I'm still holding it. I'm back to my entry. I was trying to scale in, but I put a stop loss instead, like an idiot.
That shit might work, llama red pajama. But if this is a 3-bar right here,
Yeah,
I would ditch the short.
I already know.
Right.
I already know.
Let's see if SPX can break. It's really if SPX can break the 300 mark. If SPX breaks that 300 mark, you are ready to jump. I hope, my friend. There we go. There we go. And let's see if that's a scalable move right here. If that gets back up, I'm probably going to scale into another long. Let's see what we got here. And bang. Bang. I'm up another 300 right here. I'm up 600 right here. I'm up 700 right here.
I think I'm going to close this one out.
Okay.
I want to see if we respect.
I'm going to put my stop loss right here in the profit. I'm not going to lose profit on this. I'm up 800. That's my first 50 my first TPT. Congratulations, Dakota. Let's go, baby. You know Big Daddy loves to hear that. I love the sound of that. Big shout out. Here we go. I'm up 465, 600 still, and I'm letting it run. I have a stop loss in profit, chat. Stop loss. I'm up 900 on the long. Here we go. Moving my stop loss all the way up to 305. 305 Miami. Where's Miami at? The Miami boys. Where the Miami boys? I'm up 675, and I'm wicked out on that one. I'm wicked out completely on that one. Those two trades just paid Big Daddy Max over 2,500. Whoa!
Ended up scaling there. I would just hate for it to pop and take me out.
Look at that switch of bias there, chat. You guys see how I did this? Here's my entries. Look at the switch of bias there. I shorted, I scaled into the short. I took both of the profits at the orb test, and then I went long twice and scaled out right there. How perfect was that switch of bias? And I don't have anything on my chart besides candles. I literally don't have anything.
303 now.
I don't have anything on my fucking chart besides candles, chat. Seriously.
My scale brought me to 293 is my fill. 293.
I mean, if this is a full body candle, you know I like the short here now. You know I switched that bias. You know I like the.
Let's get this move here. I want a continuation candle.
Gotta break under 93.
Need a continuation candle here.
Beautiful look. 97. Let's see if SPX fails this zone. If SPX fails this zone and drops back into the 91s, I'm going to go short again. And that would be my last trade of the day. That would be my last trade of the day. But if that 300 mark holds, then the short is no good. Just like that. Wowzers.
Wowzers is correct. Wowzers. About to get popped out here. Yep, I'm popped out.
Llama, you're still in a short?
Yeah, of course. I had to stop loss at the top of the structure. Took me out. Next area.
Oh boy, this is not good. This is not good.
That's a beautiful looking long, baby. Beautiful looking long, chat. Let's break out city. There's a little pullback 3-bar with the full trigger pull. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wonderful job.
It gave us such a nice candle to pop it right back.
Sharky is freaking
scaling.
mashing them buttons, baby. Yeah. We don't even hear him anymore. Are you there? Is everything okay? Just passed another Apex count. Congratulations, Mariucci.
You're still holding that sell, right? I want to see if we get a tap for 340. 340 is what I want to see.
340.
This could be a simple AMD.
340.
Could be a very simple AMD.
340. Oh my God. A lot of non-students in here want to trade like Max. Sign up. Sign up, sign up, sign up. I can't tell you guys enough. Sign up for the wait list or just buy the futures course. We could just read candles and fucking do this all day, baby. We can do this all day.
All right, my last ad, 320 average now.
Wow. You going in on it, huh?
Yeah, not too big size.
You feeling very confident in the short here.
I like the short too. I just want to see if we can get a top. This will be 20 points if I jump around here. I don't want to hold 20 points.
I mean, this candle definitely needs to show some weakness for this tap here. Guys, if you want to learn how to trade and do this, sign up for the Futures One course. Seriously. Do not want to be the one to miss it.
Ugh.
At this 342, bro. I want to get
This this might be you better hope this is a 3-bar fail. You guys better hope this is a 3-bar fail. Or that's short. The good thing also is SPX is rejecting off of 6,000, but if SPX hits that 6,000, it's definitely go time. There it goes. It's go time. So you guys really need that SPX to come on back down.
I want this
I'm here
342.
with
This
let's
342
go,
is going to
baby.
give a good rejection. I'll probably get one in just off the level.
Come on, let's get a rejection for the boys. Let's get a rejection for the boys. Let's get a rejection for the boys. Come on. There's another 6,000 rejection. I love to see it.
Damn.
Just need a small follow through. Sharky's not too far off. Just need a small follow through. Little breakdown.
Yeah, we just had a 15-minute candle close above the opening range. I'm probably going to be very close to getting out.
Right. Yeah, pretty strong opening range there. There you go. A little drop. You really need it to pull back. Right there you go. There you go.
Let's see. I wanted the tab and it didn't give me.
Come on, give it to the boys. Give it to the boys. I am cheering for you guys so damn hard for SPX to just come back to like 93. If SPX can just get down to like the 93 mark, you guys should be able to Sharky should be able to get out of that trade.
I'm looking to get into the trade.
That down.
That's what I'm thinking of doing. I just want to wait. I don't want to have too
Get
wide of a
back
stop.
into it.
I gave up like 120 ticks on that last trade. I had a wide stop and it still blew past it.
Right here, the short does look good. If this SPX candle drops back below like 97, I mean this is going to be a short opportunity that I would probably jump in.
Yeah, I just jumped here. I'm gonna scale if it can pop up higher.
I'm not. No. I don't have confirmations. I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing shit.
Yeah. I should have waited for that move.
You gotta wait.
Fuck. I want to scale around this level.
Right. SPX back over 6,000. Back over 6,000 and pushing. The long looks good. Still intact. It's been a long since that. It's still moving.
Oh, there's the 342. This is the area I was looking at. That's the 342. I should have just waited for it to tap it. Right when I jumped in for it.
Yeah, that thing is moving, but it's given no confirmations to jump in a short for me yet.
Perfect tap of the 342. I could have really waited for that one. I got very impatient there. I think I'm gonna go stops at 348. You might stop 350 maybe. 25 point stop loss, pretty wide again. Wow, I didn't know.
Well, remember, guys, we got that elevated VIX, so we got to keep the at least for me, I keep my stops and size a little bit smaller to adjust for the VIX.
Yeah, I want to see it to a confirmation though. If we come down, I can get a good scale. Nothing even here for me.
I am.
I mean, the long just looks good, guys. I mean, it just looks good,
Looks like we want 375 if we can hold over 315.
It looks solid, the long.
Get a little move here.
Haven't really gotten any confirmations otherwise, besides that it's going up.
About to get popped out of this trade too. Popped out. Damn. Maxi.
The long.
Maxi.
I said the long. I said the longs were long.
550 per account, Maxi. Holy smokes.
It happens, baby. It happens. I took the long off of that. took the long off of that top of orb, and then we had a little consolidation breakout. I mean, it was good. It was good. And I'm hanging out until we get some confirmation.
Just hanging around. Just hanging around.
375 looks like it's gonna go. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Don't break the green streak. I'm not stressing. Minus 500 is not that bad. If I scale up one time, I make that back pretty fast. I was able to just take him light.
Okay. We are cheering for you, Mr. Llama. I mean, this long chat, beautiful,
Such an aggressive move.
I mean, think about the down days we've been having. It's not that aggressive to think that we were
for
due
sure.
for a
I was bullish this morning.
pull up here, guys.
I was bullish this morning, and then
I'm going to teach you guys. I'm going to teach you guys one thing that no one else can ever teach you. I promise you that I'm going to teach you guys proprietary information in Futures One that my future students have that no one else will ever be able to teach you. I know that sounds like some gay sales pitch. It's not. I'm going to give you guys an edge like you've never seen before.
An edge.
And I promise you'll be able. Yeah, I'm going to give them the edge that they're missing. It's going to be insane. It's actually going to be crazy.
Print through this is interesting here. We respected this. I want to see what we can do here.
Yeah.
Print through this wouldn't be bad for the pullback. Bro, I'm really convinced on this pullback. Really. But what I hate here, the reason I kept chasing this out is that ES never took the London low or the Asia low.
Right.
The same way that NQ did. And NQ took it and it ran clean. I was waiting for it on ES. I wanted ES never broken retest orb either, which is why I've been chasing the short. So it can at least come give a break and retest the same way that NQ did really nice.
Right.
ES coming down to orb at this point would bring NQ all the way lower. It would be a way bigger move. Risk reward is there, which is why I'm going big ass stop losses because my trades are right now. I'm trying to target like 100 points, 300-400 ticks, which is why I'm giving it like an 80 to 100 tick stop loss.
Here's the first kind of short indicator that I see all day right here. Is the first short right here. This is the first one that I would be like potentially going short on is this trend break, but if it 3 bars, then there's no short. But this is the first one that's potential short right here. There's potential on the short here.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one pre and then get one off the prim. Just going like things every time I've done that.
NQ is definitely showing strength over ES as well. So also something very important to keep in mind.
Stop at the structure high. If I see this
NQ's
through on the scale here,
getting bought up. NQ it be getting bought.
If I see a print through, I'm gonna get a scale, but I wanted to cut my stop in half by getting one in pre. This will be my last trade of the day. I have no problem ending this in red. I had 2 back-to-back 20K days.
Yeah. Let's see this candle close. Yep, there's another 3 bar right
I'm about to get popped out that
NQ.
fast. Don't do me like that. I got popped out. Simple as that. I'm ending the day red, Max.
Very bullish. If this is a full bodied candle right here, this long looks really good. If this is a full body candle right here, this long looks really good, chat.
I think I'm gonna end the day red, Max.
Let's see what happens here. It happens. SPX potentially. All right, here's the deal. If SPX gets below 3, this is a short, and if it makes a newer high right here, candle close, we're gonna see a long like you've never seen.
What are we targeting here?
It's gonna pop. Llama. Look at that candle. Wow.
Thick old candle. Jesus Christ.
It's a big old stick.
It's a big old stick. I mean, NQ very strong. NQ very, very strong here.
Very strong.
You know, very strong. You gotta move with it, strong. Rock with it, lean. You gotta lean with it, rock with it, lean with it. There's a drop.
Ugh. Every time I jumped, it just fucking pops out and then flips. Look at this candle. Respected the halfway point. Now it's inversed here. Oh my god.
Boom. That's the first sign of a drop that I like.
Sick. Might have to not end it red here.
On.
That's interesting.
Hold on, I might. Nah, I gotta stick to my rules. You know what? I made some really good money today, chat, and I'm logging off. I made really good money today. I'm logging off. But the short, I told you that was my first signal of a short was SPX breaks that 3 right there. So I mean, I'd watch SPX because if it breaks that 3 right here, bang, look at this. Look at NQ, ready? Watch this. Bang. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, am I good or fucking what? I called it. I didn't take it, but I
Motherfucker, bro.
called it.
I was in this
I
fucking
didn't
trade,
take it,
Max,
but
and
I
it popped me
called it.
out. Oh,
Big Daddy Max is the GOAT. Big Daddy Max is the GOAT.
I'm
There it
sick.
is. Did I just say watch this or what? Chat,
I'm
clip
so
it.
sick.
Clip it. I didn't take the trade, but I'm the GOAT.
Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah, it was a nice drop.
I didn't take the trade, but I'm the GOAT.
Oh, we came to fucking 372.
Beyond
Big Daddy
sickening.
Max, he fucking called it.
I literally marked out this
How
was
did
a
you
4
spot?
hour.
How did you spot that? What the fuck? Insane. Austin, you're gay as fuck. I make tens of thousands of dollars because I can dance and be gay. You are not profitable, loser.
Jesus.
Get him out of here. Get real. Austin, you get real.
Oh man, do we get a retap here? We do get a retap here. You know
Yeah.
what?
No, leave him alone. Leave Austin alone.
Get
He's
one
a
in
good
here.
guy. Now,
Last
why
trade
does this
for
guy
me.
keep posting that video of me? We do not look alike. Me and that guy do
Who?
not look alike. Seriously.
You kind of do.
Yeah, leave Austin alone. I don't look like fucking that guy. I don't look like Rod Wave. I don't look like fucking Shrek. I don't look like none of these people.
You
You're
look like
welcome.
Thor, dude.
If you caught that, thank you, Sharky. That's what I'm talking about. Big Daddy Thor.
Oh, I'm up 75 ticks.
Oh, I didn't take that short, but I called it.
I'm up 75
I didn't
ticks
take
here.
the short, but I called it. Llama,
Yes.
if you recoup all of your gains on this short, I want you to buy me meat market.
All right. So that means I need to scale in then. All right. Scale in.
Oh, easy. Chat.
Wait, if I win, I buy you meat market?
Excuse me. That was a beautiful. If you guys want to learn how to trade like I do and how to eyeball things like that, sign up for the wait list. Sign up for the futures course. Sign up for the wait list. Sign up for the futures course.
No, don't pop back up now, my boy. Not on the scaling.
Mastermind.
Oh,
Mastermind.
Nowzers. Stop right here. This is my first trade scaling in. Don't pop up when
There
I
we go.
scale in. Don't do that one. I would not
All
like
right.
that.
All
to
three of
happen.
my trades. All three of my trades have been uploaded to the Mastermind chat for recap. They are all in the trade recap channel there. I saw it live and took it before you said it, Darth. Hey, wait. Okay, go to the trade recaps and tell me if you matched what I just posted. Is that why? Is that why?
Let's get a flipper here. We're scaled in.
It is up to you.
We're
If you want to
scaled in
learn how
on
to trade
this one.
futures,
This is the final trade.
where's the wait list?
This is the final countdown.
Literally.
Here's the wait list, guys. There is only 1 week left. 1 week left. Do not miss the opportunity to learn how to trade from the llama, me, and guest appearance from the shark. Guest appearance from the shark, guys. I hate this fucking. Oh, I'm logged out. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Absolutely crushed it. Let's go. Let's root on the llama now, Chad. We need a drop. I want to see SPX break 97 like with a fucking bang. There it is. Give the llama 97. Let's get the guy his money back. Bang. There it is. Congratulations. Llama. Should you TP? Are we good? What are we doing here?
I'm up
Llama.
600 per account.
Okay, llama trim a little here. Llama trim. Take some profit. Are you green?
Almost.
There you go. Trail it a little bit tighter. Hold on. We're most likely going to see a continuation of SPX to 92. If it breaks 89, then we're really dumping llama. There you go. Don't let it go red, llama. Llama's like, God, how the fuck does Max do this shit? He's seriously so amazing and skinny. I'm unbelievable. That make sure you got a stop loss, llama. We got news in 1 minute. A lot of news in 1 minute.
Oh my god. I'm in this.
Hold on, just trail it.
I'm break even.
It's fine. It's gonna dump before the news. We got 1 minute. Who's ready to learn Futures 1, baby? Who's ready to learn this shit? Hold on. Futures 1, Mastermind students. We are going to crush it. Hold on. Hold the short, Llama, until news. Hold on. Keep going. There you
Holding
go.
it.
Hold
I'm
on.
not stressing this trade.
Get ready. We got 40 seconds. We got 40 seconds. We got 40 seconds. You're gonna get paid before right there. Go ahead and TP right at the 236, Llama. TP a little bit more, Llama. TP out. TP out.
Damn it.
There's news, Llama. You'll get slippage. There's news. Don't get slipped out because of news.
I got 30 seconds.
Don't be a dumbass.
I got
Seriously,
30
Llama. We're
seconds. I
green
got 30
now.
seconds. I got 30
Llama,
seconds.
here we go. We got 20 seconds. Keep it tight,
Pushing
Llama.
it.
Don't let news wick you out. Don't let slippage get you.
Don't worry,
Here we
baby.
go.
I got
We
it.
15.
Don't worry, baby. I got it.
Here we go. Right here, Llama. Right here. Take it, Llama. 10
Don't worry,
seconds.
baby. I got
Take
it.
It's nearly 100.
Don't let slippage. Don't let slippage. News in 1. Wait, go up. Watch this. Watch this. With Llama would have got cooked, chat. Big Daddy Max, we did it. We did it. Big Daddy Max just saved the Llama. Big Daddy Max just saved the Llama. Who called the top? Who called the top and then it reversed before the news? Who did that? This is the greatest fucking. This is the greatest display of trading of all fucking time, baby. Who did that? Max, you're so fucking skinny and hot. Oh my God, Max, you must have a 12-inch penis. Guys, that was the greatest display.
That's crazy.
Oh my God, he's so fucking skinny and hot. This was the greatest display of trading I have ever done. Seriously, that was the greatest display of trading I've ever done. Who's green on the day with Big Daddy Max, chat?
That was ridiculous.
Who's green on the day with Big Daddy Max? Who just helped? Who did that?
You know what's the sad part is my initial entry was at 355 with a stop at 63, and that one popped me out. From 55, bro, that was the 100-point move
Shark,
I was looking
were
for.
you able to catch that with me, Sharky?
No.
Sharky
no,
closed
I
right
haven't been
before the
able to make
reversal.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
But I'm debating shorting this back test of open range. But
Short is
No
still
problem.
no, the short's not valid to me. I mean, if it prints over this, then it's not valid. But short could still run here. Wow, recovered.
That was the
Recovered all the
greatest
accounts.
display. That was the
gross.
greatest display of trading I've ever had.
Recovered all the accounts. That was ridiculous.
That was unbelievable. I went 5 for 5 there, and I hit the very top on a fucking massive 90-point drawdown for the Llama. Actually, it was a 100-point drawdown. Wow, 100-point drawdown for the Llama.
That was the move I was looking for the whole day.
And then the reversal on news. Oh my God.
That was the 100-point
Oh my
move we were
God.
looking for the whole fucking day.
That was amazing, chat. That was amazing.
Beautiful.
trying to get back over the range again. Son of a bitch.
Show us these guys said, Llama, show us your seat.
Show us this. I agree. I agree, Llama should show his seat.
That big booty.
I agree. Let's see the seat.
It has holes.
Oh, it's see-through.
That's what I'm saying. There's no way you saw any type of sweat.
All right, turn around. Let me see the back of your jersey. It looks dry. Okay, it looks dry. I know it's soaking fucking wet on the inside. I know it's soaking wet on the inside, but it's dry. Okay.
Bro.
We'll give it to him, chat. We'll give it to him. Guys, we just crushed it today. We just had an unbelievable.
I'm gonna make an executive decision call. All right, give me 1 second.
ES is over open range high. So is YM.
That was the
I have a question.
greatest.
I need you to answer this question with 100% honesty. Ready?
Yeah.
Do I sweat?
No.
Get the fuck out of here, you bitch ass niggas. Stop my dick. Thank you, babe. You see?
Whoa! Turn the Broward County down. Turn that Broward County down.
It pops out.
Whoa! Turn down the Broward County.
My
Whoa!
fault.
Don't go all 954.
My fault.
You better put that 954 away.
My fault, twin. My fault.
You better put that Broward County down. Put the Broward County down.
You're right.
Llama looks white, but he is 100% South American. So give him a break.
No,
He
look,
looks
look, look, look.
whiter
Yeah,
than
where,
You know
where
me.
are
what's
you from in
crazy?
South America?
I'm from
He's
Peru.
from
Oh,
he's from Peru.
Llama.
He is 100% from the slums of Peru.
You know what's crazy? I'm gonna show you what's crazy. You know what popped seatbelts off?
Whoa! Turn the 954 down. Yeah, let's get him. Let's call the police on him with those weapons he has on the wall. Seriously.
All registered. Everything is registered. Yo, shark.
Llama needs a tip jar. Every time he drops the N word, Llama should have to put money in the tip jar. I love that idea. I love that idea.
Bro.
Every time Llama drops a slur, because he calls me a Jew every fucking day. Every time Llama drops a slur, we should have a tip jar
What
where
am I
he's got
supposed
to
to call
drop.
this guy? A fucking Christian?
You just call me Max,
No, I'm gonna call you
dumbass.
the I'm gonna call you the
Or you call
Jew.
me, the greatest trader that ever lived, bitch.
That boy said, "Oh my God, Max, you're so skinny. Oh my God, Max, you're so attractive." That was crazy. Let me find this
Watch the
picture.
potential. Watch the potential for a PLH here and a continuation.
yeah.
Watch the PLH. Yeah, watch this. If this is a PLH, watch the continuation down. And if SPX continues down below 92, you're gonna have yourself one wonderful short here. Now it could be a PLH or a PHL, two P's here. So let's just wait and see. I am done trading for the day. We are killing the game, chat. We killed it today. That was the greatest display of trading of all time. And now is the perfect time to say, chat, if you are profitable, go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day. And everything we do here is for entertainment purposes only. We are entertainers filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. We are not financial advisors, nor do we are we financially certified in any way. I'm a high school dropout. So for entertainment purposes only, we have a free Discord that you can love to include trading bots like
Damn,
Trump
what just
tweets, stock
happened?
breakouts, and more. Llama, give me a second. Don't forget, we also have futures trading watch list, economic data, news, and we have the best community in the game with the best moderators in the game. If you guys want to be profitable and learn more, you can buy one of our courses, coaching sessions, or anything that we offer here. We also have the Futures One waitlist, chat. Seriously, do not miss the Futures One waitlist. If you want to learn how the fuck I just did everything that I did, join the Futures One waitlist. There's 1 week left. We're only taking how many? I think we only have 80 spots for Futures One. 80. Well, what was the final number, Llama? Is it 80 or is it more? Is it more?
Could have been 75, 80,
Regardless,
something like that.
regardless, we're not going to make it huge class because I really like to give, as my mastermind students know, I focus on my fucking class.
Did you just read that? Why did someone spell
No,
waitlist like that?
How do you spell wait? Oh, you bitch, Christian, you bitch, that you fucking bitch.
What the
That was a
fuck
good
did I
one.
just read?
You got us good. And as always, if you want to tip our staff, our lovely moderators, all the staff works for free here, to include the shark. The shark is here for free. Llama's here for free. I'm here for everyone here is here for free. So if you guys want to tip our staff, also Sharky, do you offer coaching? I get a lot of people who want a coaching session with the shark.
Yeah, we definitely can set something up.
Let's set something up. So if you guys want to learn how the shark caught 3 100-point bangers and more, he's one of the most consistent futures traders I know. We're going to start getting Shark some coaching as well in here. I think coaching is so important. And let's get that going. Give me a text after the show, Sharky.
Sure. Full disclosure,
And then
I
don't
am red
forget,
today.
guys, don't forget, as always, if you want to support us, please, please, please just do it through our partner promos. That is literally all we ask, to keep giving away as many accounts as we do. We've given away, I think, $31,600 in stuff now in the last 30 fucking days. And we're trying to get to $100,000 in giveaways this year, if not more. So
more.
if you guys want to support us, please just use the futures partner promos. We get the best deals.
Rinse and repeat.
Why not
was
use them?
gross. Look at that rinse and repeat. You're off the IFVG 236 level. Gross. Sharky gets out a second too early every time.
Ay.
It's okay, Sharky.
Shark
At
is
the
a
end of the day, you're
fucking-
profitable. Look at this picture that came up on my Snapchat from 6 years ago.
Snapchat.
Oh fuck. Who was that guy?
Did you just say Snapchat?
Yeah.
Is the merch still available? No, the merch drop has ended. The merch drop, I believe, ended. That was a quick merch drop. The merch drop
shark
has
thongs.
ended.
Ooh,
We do need some
shark thongs would be
I do agree.
fire. So guys, this
Where
does
is
look
the
like a potential PLH. So we should be coming to make a.
You know, the thing I hate about trading, you know, now I'm thinking to myself, all right, I'm going to hit the long off the range high, and then it's going to fail. You know,
Right. You starting to second guess. You start second guessing yourself after a couple pieces of TA get stuck, right?
Exactly.
There was
I do
no
the same thing.
Shiesty. Correct.
I do the same thing, brother. There is no.
There was
doubt
no
I do the
shiesties on the
same
website.
thing.
I have the shiesties here at my crib. I got hella shiesties.
Did we even sell? Ew, who's that picture of? Is that a picture of Llama?
Before
Is that
before
real?
I got the veneers, I had golds.
Are you like trying to show that photo so people are like, it's okay, I say the N-word all the time because I used to look like that?
I don't
Is
need
that what you're
anyone's
doing?
approval. I'll tell you that.
Llama, that's called cultural appropriation, and you're a piece of shit with no dick print. Look at the size of that mini print.
Bro, you literally thought
Clearly,
I stuffed my underwear from how clean my fucking print was looking.
bro, you did stuff it. We took a
And
poll.
that's with
We took a
underwear
poll.
on. And that's with
Bro,
underwear on.
over 187 people voted yes. You stuffed it.
I didn't. So what was I gonna do? Whip my fucking cock out and show you I didn't stuff it?
Bro, look at this picture of you in the rain. Are you kidding me right now?
So lucky.
Oh, this poor lady Jules is like, I'm a newbie here and I can't even. Yes, you can, honey
She's here trying to
buns.
make
Yes,
money,
you can.
and here we are talking about fucking dick prints and seeing pictures of Max kissing Patrick
Bro,
Whelan.
you have no print, and all the ladies here know it. All the ladies here know it.
Guys, rinse and repeat number 2.
Jules said, actually, Jules here. Jules said she had no clue. Welcome to the show, Jules. This is the Big Daddy's Morning Show. We actually have more female traders than any other live trading show in the world, and there's a reason for that. I'm very skinny and attractive.
Strategy. I'm not gonna lie. Jules is for sure, dude.
Jules
I said it now.
No,
she does not put 6'9" in her name as a female.
She did. No, that's a chick. That's a chick. I'm calling it. Jules is a chick.
That's a dude.
That's it. That's it. Get her up here. Her birthday's 6'9". Get her up here. Jules, get up here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the segment of the show where we play Is That a Catfish? Get up here.
It's her
Get
first
up here,
day
Jules.
She doesn't do this on the regular.
Hey, wait a second, Big Daddy Max, isn't your birthday coming up soon?
Yes, it is.
My birthday is coming up, player. That's right. My birthday's in a week and a half. A week and a half. Jules, come up on stage. Where is she? Where is she? Get her up here. Welcome to a new segment on the show called Are You a Catfish?
She's like,
there she is.
Jules, welcome.
You know the show? You know the show? Camera on or you got to go?
It's her first day here. She doesn't know anything.
What the hell is that?
You're muted. She's muted.
You're muted.
See if she needs roll.
I don't want to say this.
Why do they join muted?
Jules, how are you? Welcome to the show. Jules 69, are you there? We can't hear you. Are you fucking naked and put Versace glasses on so no one can see your face? You're butt ass naked in your bed right now. She's laughing. Oh my God. You are butt ass naked in your room and you have Versace glasses on so we can't see. But you are a female for the most part, I can see. I can't see your face clearly. I think I got about an 80% chance of female here. Can we hear your voice? Can we hear your voice? That's really... I can't hear you. Show us your throat.
She's muting and unmuting. It's not working. It's probably her. She has to go to settings. This guy said, show us the titties.
Show us your throat.
Okay, take it easy.
You can't even show titties anymore, really, because I could fucking push my tits up and you guys would think I'm a chick. There's no way,
Yeah, so, we would.
We really got to hear the voice. We really got to hear the voice. I can't believe there's a naked woman on my fucking stage right now playing the segment Is It a Catfish? What is going on the Big Daddy's Morning Show?
That's proof right there.
All I can see is her fucking
Oh man. Yo, wouldn't this be called a flag here?
Oh, hold on. Post it again. Post it one more time. Post it again. I gotta see it one more time. Post it again. One more time.
Jules, go to the settings, go to voice and video, and change your input audio. That's what you need to change.
Oh my god.
Did they post it again?
Oh.
She's eating an Uncrustable.
Oh, okay.
This girl said if
Can you
I
hear
show
me?
a tit, I
Oh my
need
God.
Futures 1.
Jules.
Can you hear me?
Jules, welcome to the show.
She
Jules,
said if I show a tit, I need Futures 1. And then Montiel says, show the pussy and I'll buy it. All right, we
Jules-
got some,
okay.
animals in
whoa.
the chat right now.
Jules, this is a family
What's
show.
happening?
Thank you for showing.
We're rated
Thank you.
PG.
Thank you for showing those to the team. Welcome to the Big Daddy Max show. This is the segment, Are You a Catfish? Jules, we have to officially ask you, are you a catfish?
No. The fuck?
No, that's right. So you were really born on June 9th, and that's why you have 6'9" in your name and such? Jules, I'm looking at your profile picture on Discord. Very pretty braids, very beautiful smile, and I'm looking at the presentation you've given us today on screen, and it's vastly different. So could one say that's possibly catfish type?
No. Yeah.
So
That is not a catfish.
So because you could post an old picture where you look beautiful, you have your hair down, and you were like, a professional gymnast, and then 10 years later you have the same picture on your social media, and this fucking monster shows up at the front door, and you're like, where's that beautiful little queen that was you messaging me on Tinder? So that's technically still a catfish.
Nah,
No.
we were able to classify her. She's a woman, at least.
Okay.
That's better than half the other
That is the
catfishes we
game
got
we
on here
were
that
playing.
were men.
Jules, what are you doing naked at 10:47 in the morning on your bed right now watching a Discord trading show?
Watching you to learn.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. How long have you been trading for? Jules, you don't have to type to the crowd when we're talking to you. How long have you been trading for?
1 year.
Okay, how's it going?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you great.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
How long you've been trading for a year?
I don't know.
How's it going?
For a year, I've been just watching. I haven't really gone live. I've just been on demo paper trading, but I used to trade Forex. So I'm just trying to learn your strategy. That's it.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. I think that's a
What
wonderful
part of
thing
New
that you're
York are
doing.
you from?
Huh?
You're from New York?
What part of New York are you from?
I am from New York. I'm from
I know. I
Queens.
said what part? From
Queens?
Queens.
Astoria.
You must be Dominican. Are you Dominican?
am.
Or Puerto Rican?
I'm Dominican and Puerto Rican.
Astoria in the house.
Very nice.
Yeah, I could just tell.
You could.
I could tell based off
Llama
three
can
words.
tell
I got
because Llama
That
loves
was pretty good.
Llama loves himself.
What's
a
wrong with
Dominican
Astoria,
queen.
Ryan?
Llama loves
What's
himself.
wrong with Astoria? And Christian, no, I am a very smart Dominican. Thank
Whoa,
you.
Jules, focus up here, honey. My eyes are up here. Don't focus on the crowd.
Oh, okay.
My eyes
All
are
right,
up
all right.
here. You do sound very nice. You are a very, very awesome. Thank you for coming up here and doing this. You got more balls than half the fucking people that wouldn't come up here. And I'll tell you right now, Jules, 1 year of paper trading and switching from Forex, trying to come learn Orb with the winning team. You're making good choices. So I can tell you're intelligent as well.
Thank you.
I could tell you're doing good. The only thing I'm confused about is why are you naked at 10:49 in the morning on your bed right now, Jules? Like, what's going on?
I just woke up. Gosh.
Okay, okay.
We might hit, besides the 375, we could hit 388, but
So-
Short
So I'm-
out here fucking trading on aisle 6.
I
Trading on
No,
7.
I'm on
might
aisle
just call
9.
it. I'm red
Aisle
today.
9. Jules
I'm
6'9".
I'm
Well,
not
Jules,
feeling it.
listen, we appreciate you and coming up here and talking and engaging the crowd. You're a badass. We appreciate you. That was some of the best. I think that was the hardest I've ever laughed in a long time because of you and the crowd. So honestly, big fucking W's for Jules here, chat. Big fucking W's for Jules here. She absolutely fucking killed it. Jules, are you trading futures?
I'm not trading. No, I'm new. I'm literally. I don't even know where to trade futures. I'm literally new.
Okay. There's no problem with that, Jules. What I want you to do is I want you to fucking get in the chat. I want you to be active, and you are gonna be a fan favorite in this community. I can tell you're gonna be a fan favorite in this community, and this community is all about helping each other. You're gonna get fucking proficient. You're gonna get profitable, and I can almost say guaranteed you're gonna be one of the few that get paid out. I feel it. I have a feeling.
Oh, I love it.
When he said, "Give her the turtle."
Give her the turtle. Oh my God. She is not going to win the golden fork today, unfortunately, Jules. You did good. You did great, and we appreciate you playing. Sharky's in a trade. I appreciate you playing. Is
All
that a
right, I got a
catfish?
little long,
You
small
have
size.
passed. Jules, anything you would like to give to the crowd before we let you go?
Just a thank you. That's it.
You're the best. We appreciate you. Thank you for the good time, as always, Miss Jules. And you're definitely going to be a fan favorite from here on out. You.
I bet.
All right, Miss Astoria Queens. Have a good one. Wow, I haven't laughed like that in a long time. That was unbelievable.
I have some long at.
Big shout
21,
out to Jules. No,
24.
seriously, W's in the chat for Jules. W's in the fucking chat for Jules.
That was
She
what,
popped
episode
right
3,
up on that
Max?
fucking. She popped right up on that fucking stage without hesitation, butt ass naked.
Max, what was that?
It's a
Episode 3 of the Big Daddy's Catfish show?
segment. It's a segment. That was we caught the Asian kid. The Asian kid was pretending to be a black woman, and then we had what's her name last night was being a dumbass.
Right, like
she changed her name.
there's still excuses after this girl just hopped on butt ass naked.
There's no excuses. This girl busted out fucking naked. The little Asian guy, Jenny.
Like before
Jenny
putting
from
clothes
last
on,
night.
she said, "Let me put on these Versace's though, real quick." Like fuck
Yeah.
putting the clothes on. Let me put on
Yeah.
these Versace's.
And then she flashed the cleavage. That's crazy. That's crazy work.
missed that
But you
one.
know those fucking
Missed that
those
one.
Dominican and Puerto Rican queens. They don't give a fuck, and they're very crazy. They're
Yes,
crazy.
psychopath.
It's a fact. Llama, how did you know she was half Dominican, half Puerto Rican, and from New York? From the sound of her voice, that was actually really impressive.
Fuck with
to me.
that. You
Yeah, I
feel
kind of
me?
fuck with that.
I'm gonna tell you something.
Well,
I'm gonna tell you. I'll tell you something. When you've been in the
Is that a
field,
special
when you've been in the
accent, like
field,
New
how
York?
I've been in that field before, she said 3 words. I said, okay, she's from New York. And then once she confirmed she was from Queens, I instantly knew Dominican or Puerto Rican.
Wow. And what does that mean exactly? Being in the field.
All right, here's about 20 points so far. Come on.
Here goes Shark.
Sharky's up 20
Shark
points
hasn't
on
even
the
gotten his
long.
pretzels yet, and he's taken 16 trades.
Shark's just like,
it's
get
my
this
third
bitch.
trade. This is my third trade.
Shark's like, get this bitch off stage. I'm going long.
Yeah, I'm going long here. I'm up 20 points.
Yeah, Shark is not bothered at all.
Yeah,
Lovely.
bro. I could
Lovely.
just tell, bro. I could just tell. You could just spot them out sometimes. I've had my
Absolutely
fair
fantastic
share
job, guys.
of New
As
Yorkers.
always, I think it's time to give out an account, baby. I think it's time to give out an account.
She said, yes, Llama. Clarify being in the field. Guys, married man now. Let's relax. Let's
Hold
relax
on.
here. Jules said,
don't
can I get
have-
one? Should we have her as the first one to come answer some questions? She said she's been trading a
Who?
year. Jules.
Ooh,
Jules.
can she get what?
She said, can she get an account?
Can she get an account? She's
Everyone's-
paper trading. She's not trading futures yet.
Exactly, she needs an account.
Jules, you're not trading futures yet. I just asked you if I was leading into it, but you said no. I was leading into giving you an account and you said no.
She said, I want to trade live. Someone said, Llama trying to riz. Guys, I'm taken. And I'm
Listen.
officially banned the Dominicans from my list. I
I'm
don't
gonna
deal
make
with
the call
Dominicans
here.
anymore.
I'm going to make the call here. Jules, we had you on stage, mama. You could have leaned into it. I asked if you were trading futures and you said no. I asked Jules, you let me try. You want to play? You want to come up here for 3 questions? Chat, should we bring Jules back up for 3 questions for an account? I personally, Llama, I think it's too late. Llama, I'm going to say no. Llama, what do you say? Llama?
Llama fell asleep.
Llama, if Llama fell anywhere, the whole fucking earth would shake. So I know he didn't fall anywhere. Llama, how do you leave in the middle of a show?
What a
This
guy.
fucking Dominican girl got him all hot and bothered.
Yeah, he probably had to go wax the carrot real quick.
Yeah. Jules fucking flashed some fucking ass or some fucking cleavage, and Llama's literally he's been acting different ever since. He's fucking going in there like a fucking. I bet you, Llama's fucking whole house is vibrating right. Oh, there he is, Llama. I personally think that Jules is a no for me. What do you think? Should she come back up and play or not?
I went to go pee. What happened? Did you ask her something?
No, the crowd wants her up. Some people are saying no. Some people are saying yes. I personally say no. What do you think? Should she come back up and play or no? Or yes or no?
Let's run a quick poll.
I think.
Let's run a quick poll.
Okay.
I see a lot of yeses. I see a little bit of no's.
No poll, Llama. Yes or no? No poll. Yes or no from you.
I got you. Look, let me flip a coin.
I said no. So if Llama's coin says no, Jules, then you are out of here.
Jules, this is on you. Heads or tails? Heads or tails, Jules? Heads or tails?
Tails never fails.
Heads. She said heads.
She said heads. She said heads. If it's heads,
New York,
she will come back.
New York girl picking heads.
Come on,
like
do
her
it.
already.
Do it.
I don't know.
Come on.
Where's the flip button?
I don't know. There you go. And here it is.
Tails.
Oh!
Tails never fails.
It's no more fair than that, Jules. I'm sorry, Jules. We gave her the fairest chance possible. I'm sorry, Jules. Jules 69. I can tell right now the crowd is gonna love you. You are great, but you are not coming back up on the stage.
Just stay tuned.
But your ass ain't coming back up on the stage, bitch.
A 10-minute bull flag. Come on. Back to 70.
Let's go. Big shout out to Lee, who just got their first payout. Shout out from the webinar. Just from the free webinar we did. Mr. Lee in the community chat just got his first payout. Let's fucking go. Big shout out to Lee. LFGs. Guys, go hit the community chat for Lee. Go hit the community chat for Lee. Our free webinar just got him a payout. Let's go. I love that. Nothing better than that. In the community chat, in the main chat.
Oh,
I'm going to hit it with the emojis right now. I'm hitting it with emojis right now because that is unbelievable. There we go. Unbelievable job.
How beautiful this is.
Congratulations.
Let's fucking go. Took my first payout on Take Profit. Big shout out to Sober, Big Daddy, and Rake. Literally changed the way I trade after that webinar.
Nobody's doing what we're doing. If you guys want to learn, fucking tap in. All right, let's just give away a free account. Sharky, you're our guest today. Sharky, pick a number 1 through 100 or 1 through 485. 485, Sharky. Pick a number.
There's only one number to pick, and that's going to be 33.
33, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 31, 2, 3. Bro, no way. No way.
Ooh.
No way. It's Greg.
It's not.
It's Greg. No way. Chat, look at this. Hold on. I'm taking a screenshot. Look. I'm not faking it. Look at my screenshot. Greg is number 33.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yo, what the fuck?
Greg is number 33. Let's bring him up.
Greg
is back.
Get your ass over here. Where is he?
Oh my God. Wait a minute. Greg, does he have a mic? Wait, he's got a mic. Greg, turn on the screen. This is the best show ever.
No way. We brought Greg on 3 days in a row.
Greg.
Oh boy. God is good, my friends. Can you hear me?
Greg,
yes.
Greg is a certified alcoholic.
No, not anymore.
Okay, 362. Come on now. I'm up 40 points.
Oh God, I'm gonna pass out today. Holy fuck, I can't breathe.
Say, Greg, show your tits.
Back. Welcome back, Greg. Jesus Christ, Greg.
He won the account.
You're out of control. You're out of control.
Oh man.
Oh my God, Greg, you're out of control. Seriously, Greg, welcome back to win another account. Greg, you're unbelievable. Are you ready to play?
Scale here for 324.
I don't know if I'm ready to play the game, but we give it a shot.
You give it a shot, Greg.
Bro, there's no way Greg is back.
It's a great name, I have to say.
Who would have figured?
This is good guy Greg. Good guy Greg is here.
Good guy.
All
Greg.
right, guys, what do you got? Go easy on me. I'm old.
Oh fuck! All right, Greg.
I love the
I'm gonna give
emojis.
you. Yeah, they're great, Greg. I'm gonna give you your first question of the day. All right. It's going to be a technical analysis pattern, Greg. How do you feel with candles and technical analysis?
The way you guys explain it, I don't have your terminology, but somewhat.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, here's 375. I'm gonna take another scale.
Well, Sharky, how many points are you up right now? Holy shit.
I got 324. We're at 375 now.
Holy,
He's up
Greg's up.
50 points.
Sharky's up 50 points.
Good night.
Okay.
Sharky, you're looking for 410. 410 is free range.
Yeah.
All right, Greg.
Level it,
Greg, I'm going to post a picture
415.
in the chat. I'm going to post a picture in the chat. All right. And I want you to answer it. Are you ready to play?
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
All right. Can you see the chat?
Yes.
My arrows are examples of what? These are examples of what? Those arrows there. What are those examples of?
Retested the orb.
Beautiful fucking job, Greg. You guys were wrong that we're saying double bottom, higher low. It was
Even I
a
typed it.
retest. Those are retests. All of you are wrong, and you tried to fail my boy Big Daddy Greg. You're wrong. Greg, congratulations. I'm passing you off. Yo, how you got a Greg doll?
Oh my god. You guys are too much, man.
I got Greg at my house. I told you I was gonna bring Greg over.
Hey man,
Yo, where did
listen.
Max go? He fell off the chair.
Hey, when I see you,
Might have to profit
I'll
stop here.
autograph it.
Would you see me, you'll autograph it? Greg,
Yeah,
we're gonna
hell yeah.
meet up. You know I live in Miramar.
Dude, let's go to lunch.
Oh shit, the Florida boys.
Yeah. Holy shit, Greg. So how long have you been trading?
On and off for probably about 4 years.
40 years.
I started in Forex and got sidetracked for a while, but started following you guys and got really interested in futures.
That's amazing, Greg. That's guys, he said 4 years, not 40, you fucking idiots.
You're bright red from laughing.
Well, I'm gonna pass out. We gotta end the show. Give him his question, please.
All right, Greg. Good question here. Very difficult question. You ready?
Yeah.
What does ORB stand for?
Open range breakout.
Oh God. Okay,
They said he started
All
trading
right.
in 1906.
Greg. I can't believe
he
this.
traded with pigeons. That's how he used to
I
trade.
can't
He
believe
created
this.
the market. This is
Hey.
ICT.
I started trading with Moses.
He started
With
trading with Moses.
I know that.
Originally, it was the 8 commandments, but then he
Okay.
got 10 out of it. He traded.
Holy
traded
Greg,
shit.
your last question is a 2-part question. Are you ready for it? For the chance to win another account, are you? Because you won an account already, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
This guy's greedy.
We're gonna give you another one, Greg. This is a 2-part question, and it requires the audience to vote. All right, it requires the audience to vote. Here's the 2-part question, Greg. Are you ready to play for the win?
Yeah.
All right. First question, Greg. When you played the lead role in the movie Up, what was your character's name? What was your character's name in the movie Up? What was your lead character's name?
I don't remember. I haven't watched that with my grandkids in a while.
Check the chat. Check the chat. How the fuck did you guys know that?
Oh, that was Carl, of course.
Let's go. All right. And now the
Carl,
second
of
part.
course.
Are you ready? Are you ready
Hey,
for the second part?
guy.
For
Come on,
the
388.
win.
Come on, baby. 388.
For the
Come on
win.
now.
Go, Sharky, go. Go. Oh my God, Shark, it's ripping. Go, Sharky, go. Greg, for the win. We're gonna ask the chat to participate one more time. Shark is literally up like 90 points while we're doing this. This is fucking epic. Chat, is Greg going to be the next Golden Fork winner, fan favorite? Does Greg win the Golden Fork?
All right, there. I just got a scale 324 to 388.
Shark just made fucking $3,000. Let's go.
No,
Greg,
I was down 1700, but
congratulations.
I
You
got
have
it.
won. You have also won the official Turtle Soup Retard role. You are a Golden Fork winner, our third Golden Fork winner here at Max Options Trading. Congratulations, Greg. You have joined an exclusive club of Moni, of Josh, and now Big Daddy Greg. You are an exclusive club of Turtle Soup Retards. There's 3 fan favorites here. Let's get a fan favorite roll too. Greg, and you won
No, I
another
hate
50K
that term as
account.
well.
What do you have to say? Yeah, it's a terrible term, Shark. It's a terrible term. So, Greg, what do you have to say to the fans
Well,
that love
I
you
just
here?
want to thank my promoters. I want to thank all my fans out there. Hey guys, thank you very much. I really appreciate everything you do every morning. It's amazing.
Awesome. You're the man, Greg. We appreciate you.
Looking to finally pad a good retirement account.
That's what I'm talking about. We appreciate you, old man Greg, just like I'm sure when you appreciated when they invented electricity, you old man.
Oh, hey, indoor toilets were a big thing.
Yeah, I remember
toilet, you don't have
indoor
to poop in a
toilets,
hole anymore.
television, automobiles, paper. I'm sure you've been through a lot.
Paper. Paper.
You're the man, Greg. Welcome to an exclusive club here at Max Options Trading. You are a fan favorite. We love you here. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your police service. And congratulations on winning yet again.
No worries. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. We'll see you soon.
Do I gotta open another service ticket?
If you have one open still,
I think I have
no,
his email.
or
I have
yes.
his email.
Okay. Then yeah, open another one anyway. Just in case.
Hey, thank you so much.
I got it here.
He got a ticket still. He's good. Okay, Logan, push up his ticket. We got it. Thank you, Mr. Greg. It is a pleasure.
Thanks, guys.
Appreciate you, Greg.
Way to 400.
Fucking Sharky's up, guys.
Fucking
Greg
got back on. How crazy is that? Sharky, 193 first area of interest. Previous month 50. Could give a pullback. If it breaks through that, 410 is free range, Sharky. If it breaks through 393, 410 is free range, Sharky. Trust.
Wow. All right, turn me into a chicken.
Turn you into
Sharky
a chicken.
is unreal. Guys,
like a free range chicken running around.
This show needs to go on YouTube. This is going to be a show that goes on YouTube, but I do have to go. Unfortunately, what a show. Shark, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Shark. Seriously, give it up for the Shark. He just traded his ass off live, unfazed by anything. W's, LFG's in the chat for the Shark. Don't forget to check out the Shark's free alerts here at MOT. You can also follow him on Twitter. He has a very large Twitter following, so make sure you guys are following the Shark. Good friend of mine.
There too.
Yep, a good friend of mine. He posts a ton of great shit on and his alerts. Make sure you guys get his alerts right here in the Discord. And soon, don't forget, let's book a session with the Shark. Book a coaching session with the Shark. And Sharky, we thank you so much. You have any last words for the crowd after you just hit that fucking 80-point banger?
Yeah, well, I think just like you said, the less trades, the more profitable you are at the end of the day. 1 and done, 2 and done. Don't overtrade, especially if you're green today. We've got NVIDIA on deck. Wait, is it today or tomorrow?
Today.
It's tonight. Yeah.
So we could see some hesitation here, but yeah, if you made your money, just walk away and go enjoy your day. No point to sit around and look at a computer for 8 hours a day. That's exactly why we do this, not so that we have to do that.
Love that.
Most other people. So
love that. Hell yeah, love that. Great job, Sharky. Thank you for joining the Big Daddy Morning Show today, as always. Llama, you got any last words?
Same as usual, guys. We did great today. I started off very rocky. Trade copier. There's a lot of people asking me about what trade copier am I using, and this is why I don't push it out, because it's still in beta. My first trade, I had to take it as a loss because it didn't put everything in. So it happens. Boom. From there, chase the losses. I was still okay with the loss that I had. I was able to recover everything, which is a great day. Not every day is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, even 1K. Not every day. But ending and break even is a good day, guys. We kept it very smooth, very easy. If you want to tip the staff, guys, we do everything completely free. For us to keep it free, tip the staff is very appreciated. It goes to all the mods. Shark doesn't get paid. I don't get paid. Max doesn't get paid. Jake doesn't get paid. None of the mods. They're never going to get paid because they're gay. And all we ask if is for you guys to use our codes if you're ever going to buy these accounts. Code BDM, code P2P, very simple. We don't ask for nothing more, nothing more. To all the people that came on today, appreciate you guys. You make this show better than what it already is. If you do want any coaching lessons, guys, Max has coaching, Jake has coaching, I have coaching. Who else has coaching? Sean has coaching. We're gonna get Shark up there. Shark is gonna get on there for coaching. Guys, we have a week left. Shark, we hit 193. Be careful there. We have a week left until the wait list is completely closed. A week left until the wait list is completely closed. If you're not on the wait list, you cannot get accepted. Very simple, guys. We're gonna keep this a very small, intimate group and turn a bunch of people into profitable traders. Someone said, now I don't know who to go with. We all have different trading styles. Do your homework. Get to learn everyone. You'll be able to pick. We have a lot of variety. We got all the flavors here. And that's it, guys. That's it. I'm closing down the one-on-one mentorship, so I'm not even going to mention it. It's getting closed down.
I'm not doing coaching right now either. We're just doing Futures 1. We're not doing anything. We're just doing Futures 1. So all we're doing is Futures 1. If you guys want, it's Futures 1. And as always, guys, everything we do here is for entertainment purposes. This is the Big Daddy Morning Show. We're not financial advisors in any way. Nothing we do is financial advice. And we had a blast today. Oh my God, you can expect this video to be up on YouTube by next week. This is going to be, this is one of the best shows we've ever seen. So you guys are great. We can't do it without you guys. You're amazing. Thank you guys so much. And like we said, please, Jules, you're going on the YouTube, baby. You're going to be famous. If you want to support us, guys, all we ask is that you hit our partner promos. That is all we ask in return. We've given away over $32,000 of giveaways. We have the best A+ team here for free. No other free or paid Discord is doing what we're doing, bringing the entertainment value, profits, and fun. Nobody. I don't give a fuck. Nobody. So enjoy. Tell your friends.
There it is. There's 400.
Bang. Sharky just did his
beautiful
PT.
Sharky.
And the Sharky closes it. And on that, you guys have an awesome, awesome, awesome day. MOT Big Daddy Morning Show out.